My name is Olivia LeBaron and I teach 5th grade at McCabe School in El Centro. In this video you will see 3 types of assessment: formal, informal, and student self-assessment.
We've been talking a lot about dividing whole numbers by fractions, and today I'm going to test to see how well you know your steps to doing so. So on the board, I'd like you to list the steps to dividing a whole number by a fraction. There is an example problem, 8 divided by 2/3. And then you have your sequence of events for you as a guide. Go ahead and start. Make sure you write your name at the top. I'm going to give you 3 minutes on the timer. And after that time, we'll check to see what you've got. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be available to help you. The answers?
Yes.
You ready to check your work?
Yes.
Okay, drum roll please. Okay, check to see what your answers are. Compare them to the answers on the board, and then you'll turn that into me in about 1 minute. Make any corrections if you need to, and then we'll collect that. This assessment, students are not provided with immediate feedback. There's also no opportunity for them to discuss their learning achievements, and furthermore, students are unable to really plan for their learning goals. We've been discussing whole numbers divided by fractions, and so today I want to test your knowledge on how well you can list the steps to modeling those number problems. So today I want you to list the steps you would use to model to divide a whole number by a fraction. You'll see here it's a whole number divided by fraction. An example problem would be 8 divided by 2/3. So go ahead on your iPads, start modeling and showing the steps to dividing. Remember to use your transition words first, then next, and last. Raise your hand if you have any questions. Okay, I need hands and eyes, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off the iPads. Ready position, please. Hands are off the iPad, ready position. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to switch with our neighbor. We're going to discuss our findings and use constructive criticism to agree or disagree with their work. Go ahead and start talking that over. In level 2, the students are beginning to provide and receive feedback by sharing with their partners. Students have an opportunity to agree or disagree constructively. Today we have a fun activity. We've been talking about dividing whole numbers by fractions, and today I want to test your knowledge as a team on whether or not you know the steps to dividing a whole number by a fraction. So on the stage, you'll find a bunch of cards that have the steps. Now these cards may be used more than once, I don't know. But your job is to, as a team, go up one by one to select the next step. So one person will find the first step, and then the next teammate will go and find the second step. And then the next teammate will go and find the third step, and so on until the timer goes up. Then once the timer goes off, we're going to take a look at what our steps are and see if we got them correct. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. For this project, we're going to stand, push in our chairs. My groups, if you are ready, my 4 groups are going to participate in our first round. If you are ready. There's going to be 4 groups coming up to figure out the 4 steps. Yes. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
If you are not participating in this first round, your job is to cheer them on. Can you do that for us? Alright, I'm placing this card on the stage. Remember again, you can use these cards more than once. My first step. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set. Go. The steps to dividing whole numbers by fractions. So I'm ready to give you a challenge. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
I need a drum roll, please, so you can see your challenge. Your challenge today is to predict how these steps that you just put together will help you when dividing a fraction by a whole number. So it's reverse now. Like your feedback on what were the differences between level 1 and level 3 in learning to list the steps for dividing whole numbers and fractions. Any feedback on that? Raise a nice tall hand if you have anything. Diego. Nice and loud.
I think that it's a better way of just saying and trying to learn it. It helps us learn better when it's fun.
So you don't have to stay in one place, is that what you're saying? And it helps you learn better. Okay. Yes.
It's fun and we get to use technology and you don't stay with like one thing the whole time, like the same thing.
So you don't have to stay with the same thing the whole time? Yes, Hadassah.
Level 1 was just like paper and pencil, which was a big plane, and we did that like old school, but when you go to the activities, it's a bit more fun and it's more to this generation.
Thank you.